video, it means you just wrote your JAMB. Here is how you can check your JAMB results. Your JAMB result will be out within 24 to 72 hours. That is within the first day you wrote it, 24 hours to time of writing it, and 3 days. Your JAMB result will be out. So this video, I will show you 2 methods you can use to check your result, and it's quite very easy. Just follow me. There are 2 methods. Online, you can check it online with your smartphone and your data, or you can use XMS. For you to check your JAMB results online, what you just need to do is go to the official JAMB website. This website. Just go to your browser. Open this particular website. https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng/login. You may not get this, but I want you to send me a message so that I can send you this material and this particular website so that you can click on it. Send me, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment under this video that I should send you the link so that you can easily go and check your results. So just enter this website. Then once you enter the website, you will see a space where you provide your email address and your password. Once you click in your email address and your password, the next thing for you to do is click check UTME result. You see a button where they say check UTME result. Once you click that result, your JAMB you will see your JAMB results. You can just look at it and note it down. Remember, I said subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe now. You will see a lot of resources, and I will also send you materials that you need. The next thing is how you can check with your SMS. Assuming you don't have a smartphone, just a Nokia Touch without data. What you just do is go to your message, the messaging app, where you normally type text message. Just go to it, then type result. This RESULT in capital letters, followed by your JAMB registration number. Once you type result, follow it up with your JAMB registration number. Send the message to either 2 numbers. Either you send the message to 55019 or 66019, 55019 or 66019. Once you send that text message, JAMB will send you your result. So what I want you to do is type result and your JAMB registration number. Once you do that, send it as a text message to 55019 or 66019. JAMB will now send you your reply. You will now get your message. Remember, if you send that message, it will normally cost you 50 naira per message. So you need to have money in your balance, in your credit balance, so that once you send it, they will charge you 50 naira and you will get your result. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, just hit on subscribe. Send me a message under this video saying I have subscribed. Once I see that message, I will send you other materials that will help you for preparing for your screening, your UTME. I wish you all the best. If you want to talk to us, send me a WhatsApp message. May God bless you.